This video contains raw and uncut footage depicting a bee attack in Jamaica and may be intense or distressing for some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised, and this content is suitable for audiences 18 years and older. If you have a phobia or sensitivity to bee attacks, we recommend refraining from watching. To view alternative content, click on my channel's icon. Thank you for your understanding. With that being said, enjoy this unfiltered video.
Welcome to another episode with Blue Lagoon Tours, straight out of Portland, Jamaica with Trey Day and the team. Just watch and enjoy, and respect for your support.
Peeps, let's stop forget some Bougainville roadside there. But look over there, so. Business out there. Me say business attack me, watch Alex. He must say nothing happen. Yo, lock the door, lock the door. Lock the door. Yo, in the parlor, dog. Yo, in the fire! Yo! Dog! Yo! Me ears feel fat! Peeps! When they? Look how my vehicle dirty, my youth!
When they?
I don't know my backside, man, look at that! Yo! More piece of white one, you know. But how me all go out there?
Jay, go on.
No, dog.
Jay, go on.
They sting me up on my foot to see that swarm my vehicle, dog.
They sting up you?
I mean, you all of me ears fat. Yo, all the phone screen goodly broke up more, dog. Cause me have to use the phone at box.
Yo, Jay. Yo, easy, brother. Hurt me, dog.
But I don't like me have to use the phone at box them, brother.
I go in my ear in the dog and get
me know so me not see me a box it. Me a box it, dog, get your frig.
Yo, you know something like this yet? Bees
my
attack.
You, this would you remember the last one we go on foreign?
Yeah.
A foreign you go on with the tourists them.
My youth.
But look, see bees pan them there over there, but we not expect them for their roadside.
Bees will attack you once they go close, my youth.
Dad, me not they close. I out the road me there.
See bees they say I fly as a twin.
Jaja you. And the thing is, me can't wind up my window.
You gotta get that stink, I guess.
Yeah, man. What I have so high. Unless I box from my box myself. Watch it. See bees thing, huh? You know, my hand, dog. Bombard! Peeps! Now my hand!
Bumbuka!
See it alright or so?
Yo!
You can't see, look what's that.
Yo, brother, have some shit for you to go put dog.
And you know, I come out it, you know. It's a good piece. That's it. Piece broke off in the dog. I box myself, son. I box out thing, you know.
Jaja, dog.
Jaja, youth.
Yo, you fucking my ear for me head all the time, brother.
So I'm not telling you, I'm head sitting there, my neck is sitting, I box up myself. But yo, if me can get piece of the white one.
Yo, I love it, dramatic, but I just can't take a thing on my face.
Yo, reverse go up so. How we take time come down. I see you have the purple one in there too.
All that color in there. All that color in there. Pink, orange. Maybe that's more safer.
More safe?
You go all over so. That's more safer.
No, so dog, you don't see that pitch on the screen?
Pitch where?
You don't see that one?
No.
Yo, reverse go back, look man.
You're good
at
You're good at 7G. You're so safe. Let's make sure this video just in case. Now I'm still here just in case.
Where kerchief there? Yeah, the kerchief get fling away.
Yeah, I video just in case.
See, watch there. See bees?
Yeah. Well, I see that. Yeah, me see that. Yeah, man, in there, man.
See that, peeps?
Ah, boy. Yeah.
See that?
Man, you can't make one bees do you say them, man. Go on for your flowers, man. You can't go plant the thing, dog. Go on and come. Why if that come? Go on and forward.
No. You know why my friend go out there? Because when they saw me, I let driver side me the road come. Me, you notice me have to run around the vehicle until we reach back in here.
But that boy. My youth.
Me never see nothing like this.
Make people say bees and you think it's a joke thing.
Yo, Jaja dog, yo. What about bees on the back seat of that?
Where?
See me?
Jaja.
Oh my God! Oh my God! No, go on. My friend of the bee. Fuck. Go on, dog. No, but take me. No one, none of them. The influencer, we don't forget none. All of them there so more, but we don't forget none.
Yo, no. Yo, come and do it something, man. Yeah, joke.
Me now watch you.
Why you said that?
Wait, make that wait, look at me. Me I feel like one piece.
No, me want go now. I'm going down in the night. I'm adrenaline. I'm adrenaline. I'm not go up there by you.
Alex, Marita, what am to your dog?
I'm go fix up. I'm sure you call it essay or no.
More, I like all of them. I like all of them.
So me feel a spiky branch.
Yo, don't come in here with no bees, you know, dog. No! You wanna pick your flowers! I like flowers more! No! Jesus! You wanna waste your time! Jesus Christ! Yo! You wanna sit up for him, man? Yo! Drive.
Get him! Watch out, man.
Alex, you go out there for nothing. I know the literal flowers more and the big long stem so me can't clip you up. Where you jump on your finger?
Yeah. Brother.
Let me see your finger. You broke?
Boss, no man. Step on it, dog.
Hold on. Your finger.
No, me drop on it. So.
No, it nail where the pan where chip off. I just saw that go.
What you mean?
Over there, so?
What you mean?
Jesus.
Yo, my youth, you tell me say what the chunk. You me chop on it.
So what? Yo.
Set this scam plan.
No, dog. I know the flowers more tip out like the long stem. Me think I will have that.
It is a fly on my bomb bat. Head side, brother. He's like a bomb. Like a bomb, G.
My youth, you go out there for nothing, dog.
You say what, this stem?
No, we don't go back for
it. You go all far upon the stem, I want it.
Yo, yo, here what going. Here what going. We can create smoke.
So, you have fire by the way?
No. Alright, hold on, hold the phone. Shit.
Why are you going to so bad still?
Well, I got you think fella you coming here. This coming like some show, dog.
Yo, let's go at the machine, man. Alright. He'll leave them.
Let me tell you what I'll try. I don't even have no sweater.
I got my pants back to the road.
Mate, from you reach right, they say thing, then just start attack you.
It's a reach down there.
No. I drop in the road, you know.
You come on, I'm inside. So
I drop in the road.
So I come two of them put up my drop, so them if you try for the man what my drop.
Oh, book like this a touch, I know, dog. Look up in the ear. You know what, go on? No, dog. You come like them get mad. Look up in the ear.
Don't go to the bright thing. The bright thing attract them, me G.
Well, me G. Me G. Me see you drop while ago, me no want to drop too.
Why you?
Yo.
Go out there, man, you.
Dog.
We can't come so far free flows and not get in them.
No. Here, when we come back,
no.
we bring one long sleeve.
No, we don't come back for now.
We don't know that we have to come back. Bombo clean, brother.
Okay. This is something else too.
Yo, them bees are aggressive.
Me not take so much thing for.
Ah, look at, watch out. A knife video, then they will hear whole heap.
Alright, so you see what I'm man? You see I'm not lie?
Whole heap of bees there, man.
No tell me see I see them shit I see we.
Bees attack. Man, whole heap of bees. Business no mercy. Yeah, man.
It's like get blood clotting.
Right, let me see you go on.
You know. Yeah, you see a night red. It's a them black. I get blood clot me thing.
Charger you.